So I'm either your older brother or sister or one of your parents. This is what's gonna happen. Alright guys, let's get down to business. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how to set up a prank at home on anybody that lives with you, whether it's your parents or your siblings, even your grandma. Nobody's off limits for this prank, so check it out. Alright pranksters, well this prank that I'm about to show you is a chore prank. You guys can pull it off at home on anybody who's in charge of taking out the trash. So if it's one of your siblings or if it's your parents, they'll definitely fall for this prank. Now to pull off that prank, you're gonna need a trash bin like this one, a garbage bag, and a couple balloons like these. You'll need some tape as well. So first thing we're gonna do guys is we're gonna fill up these balloons, but we're not gonna tie them just yet. Just fill them up. You will need an accomplice for this, so get a friend or maybe another sibling to help you out. Okay, so SB, I'm gonna need your help for this.
Alright.
Here, hold this tape. Okay, so we got our balloon right here, guys. It's filled with water. It's not that much, but it's enough to get somebody wet. What we're gonna do is we're gonna hang it on the side of the trash bin, like so, right here. And the tip, if you notice right here, we haven't tied it yet. And we did that for a reason. And the reason why is because we want somebody to get squirted by this balloon. So remember, if you're gonna pull off this prank, guys, make sure that you don't tie the balloon. So let's rest it on the edge of the trash bin, like so. And now, SB, I want you to put a big strip of tape to keep the balloon in place. Yeah, there you go. That's a big strip. Just like that. And the tape should keep it in place. But just to be on the safe side, SB, let's add more tape. Alright, and there it is. One down and one to go. So we're gonna repeat the process for this one so that we have two balloons, one on each side. Alright, so both balloons are ready. SB's holding them as I'm about to put the bag on. Now this bag is the perfect size for this trash bin, and it's really tight on the edges, so it will keep the balloon from squirting water until the bag is removed. So for example, right here, look guys, it just grabs it and then it's very tight, and the other side is gonna be the same. And the prank is set. We're gonna let go. Looks very good, guys. You guys can throw some trash in, and when this is full, nobody will be able to tell a thing, and whoever lifts up this bag is gonna be in for a wet surprise. All right, guys? So try to cover up the balloons so that they're not that noticeable. And if you guys want, if the bag is black or white, try to match the color of the balloon with the bag. But anyway, at this point, the prank is set. Nobody can really tell what's going on, and whoever peels off the bag from the trash bin, either they're gonna get wet or the floor is gonna get wet, and they'll have an extra chore to do. Alright, demo time. So I'm either your older brother or sister or one of your parents. This is what's gonna happen. Whoa! Look at that mess, man. Look at the floor. That's a mess that nobody will want to clean up. Here's another demo. Whoa! Man, look at all that mess. Look at all that water. Alright, that's the last demo. Too much of a mess. Whoa! That's it, guys. That's the prank. Yes, you will get somebody wet, and yes, you might get into trouble, but you'll still be able to get them with this prank. Now, if you like this prank and you want to see more pranks similar to this one, check out my channel. I have lots more pranks there. I also have a playlist down there in the description that you guys can check out in the cards above. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. I hope you liked this video and you gave it a big thumbs up. I hope you subscribe if you haven't yet. I'll be seeing you pranksters in my next video. So not only when they open the case will they not be able to see what disc is inside, but they'll have to take it out. And this will be time consuming, and they'll definitely frustrate them, guys. So leave it somewhere, guys, with the pen next to it. So let's say your victim is done writing whatever it is that they're writing. They're gonna take their cap, and look, when they put the pen inside the cap,